is in that Purple Paisley Planner. Look at, I got Happy Meal. I got my Galentine kit. This is the one you had to order by December so you could get it this month. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I ordered it. And this is what I like about Villabeautifful is you're not obligated to subscribe month to month or get penalized if you cancel. With this, she just do it month to month, you know, and that's what I like about her kit. So I already unpackaged it and I took it out of the bag and everything. Just beautiful, just beautiful. So let me show you. So this is everything you get in the kit. And this bag is just a beautiful kit, isn't it? It's a Villabeautifful. It's just beautiful. So this is everything that you get in the kit. I already took it out of the package so I could get ready to do this video. So the first thing I loved about her kit was the Bookmark Tab. So this is her Bookmark Tab, and it's in rose gold. Let me put that there. So it's in rose gold. See, rose gold. I think that's just beautiful, rose gold. It's just, this is just beautiful. I'm just liking this. This got a little bit of marble to it. It's just so pretty. So that was one. And then the washi, oh my gosh. I took it out of the package because I already started using it. But you get this washi in rose gold. Let me use this here. Right there. I'm going to show you the big one. So see? Oops. It's rose gold. So that's the thick one. And then let me show you the thin one. This is the thin one. And this is the thin one. See, isn't this just nice? And it's rose gold. I just love this. I just love her stickers. So I peeled it off because I could wind it back up. Because I don't want to waste this precious washi tape. Because it's like gold. Rose gold. So that's one. There we go. Then you get the pins, the clips. These are the cutest clips. Look at this one. So if you put it at the top of your planner, look at that. Isn't that just pretty? So I'm just loving these clips. So I'm going to put this one back. Oh my gosh, these clips are just beautiful. So if you have a planner, you just put it in your planner and it's just pretty. So I'm just loving the clips. These are just precious right here. And then this beautiful pen. Let me show you this pen. It's an enamel pen. And it's glittery. The Galentine pen planner girl, and it's just really sparkly. See that? And then you get the journaling cards. See the journal cards? So here are these. Do everything with love. And then the pretty roses with the rose gold. And then the hearts in rose gold. And then you're a gem, sweetheart, in rose gold. And then always and forever in rose gold. Pretty, isn't it? Just pretty. I like that. And then the Post-it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, I'm loving the Post-it. Look at that. In rose gold. And I peeled one off right here. Oh my gosh. This is a nice Post-it. And it's sticky enough for me. She put in her Insta story there was something going on with the Post-its, but I love it. I love her Post-its. It's nice and plenty sticky for me. So I love her Post-its. So this is her Post-it. And then, oh my gosh, look at the pen. So she always give a refill, an extra refill for her pens. So here's her pen. It's in rose gold with pink and iridescent crystals. Just beautiful. Villabeautifful. And it's just nice. Look at all of her pens will have that wax stopper at the top. But this is nice. Be extra careful with your pens. Don't put it right here because you'll scratch the pretty hardware. If you use your pen, just put your lid to the side and then just start writing. I just think it's just beautiful. I take good care of my Villabeautifful pens. I love her pens. I wish I could have all of them. Just pretty. I have never had any issues with any of her pens. And here's the sticker book. Oh my goodness. Here's the first page. It's got the rose gold foiling. Here's the second page. Rose gold foiling. Today, get it, girl. Just beautiful. Here's get it done. No, it's important stuff. Rose gold. Fun stuff, important. Check it off today. I mean, this is just pretty appointments. Beautiful. This one, oh my gosh, look at this. Just pretty. Here's another page. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I got that song in my head. Okay. This is nice. This is nice. And that's it. I just love this sticker book. Here's the back of it. So this is all the goodies you get in her bag. Oh, I'm just loving it. I'm loving her bag a lot. Oh my gosh, where's my pineapple planner? Let me show you. Here's my pineapple planner, and I got her pen right here too. It's in gold, but I think this rose gold will match just as fine. Look. Oh my gosh. It's a perfect match. You know, either one of these would match, but I just love how that matches well with that. I'm liking that. Where's my pins? My clips. I mean, I don't know why I keep saying clips. Pins. My clips. Okay. So let me do this and put the clips up here. Oh, that is so cute. And then here goes the other one. And I'll put that right here. Move this out the way. So I got one clip right there. And then the other clip right here. Oh gosh, that is just gorgeous. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Just put that right up there. Oh my gosh. Isn't that just pretty? And if I want to line my this for my following week. See how this was look. Let's see. Look at that. See how this looks? I should have had my X-Acto knife. But look at that. That's just beautiful. Look at that. I'm just loving that. And where's my sticker book? So when I start the following week, I'll know it's a happy day. Let's see. Oh, this is just fierce. Isn't that just fierce? Let's see. Woo! Girls just want to have fun. Girls just want to have fun. And girls just want to have fun. So let's see. Friday. Girls just want to have fun. So when I start my weekly journal, I'm going to start this off. Happy days. Let's see. Get it, girl. I'm just loving this. And I'll put this here for important, let me put this here. I'll put this here for important notes. I'll cover that. That's just nice. So I'm going to keep on doing this. I'm just loving the washi. I'm loving the stickers. I'm just loving everything on here. And then my notes here. This is when I was doing my crafting. I could just, you know, use my notes and save it right here. I'm going to punch it and make it little journal tabs. I just like this. And I'm going to save this. So, yes. So I'm loving my happy mail. I'm loving my happy mail. I'm loving everything. So everyone have a super duper day. This is Annette, Purple Paisley Planner. And I'll talk to everyone later. Stay positive. Bye-bye.